In this video, you'll learn how to reply to feedback on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, responding to feedback is an essential part of maintaining a good reputation on the platform. So, let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com. This is your starting point for accessing your account and managing your feedback. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Sell. Click on it. This will take you to your Seller Hub, where you can manage all aspects of your selling activity, including viewing and responding to feedback. Once you're in the Seller Hub, look for your username. It's usually displayed prominently on the page. Clicking on your username is an essential step because it will direct you to your profile and feedback section. This area is key for accessing the feedback left by your buyers. Next, locate the feedback link on your profile page and click on it. This section of your account will show you all the feedback you've received from buyers. It's a comprehensive list that includes positive, neutral, and negative feedback. Understanding the feedback you've received is crucial for knowing how to respond appropriately. As you review your feedback, you'll notice it's categorized into 3 types: positive, neutral, and negative. You can click on each of these categories to view the feedback comments left by your buyers. This allows you to focus on specific types of feedback, helping you prioritize which ones you might want to address first. If you find feedback that you'd like to respond to, simply select it. This is an important step because it allows you to engage directly with your buyers and address their comments. Once you've selected the feedback, look for an option to reply. This is typically a button or link that says reply or respond next to the feedback comment. Clicking this will open up a text box where you can type your response. When crafting your reply, it's essential to be polite and professional. Whether the feedback is positive or negative, maintaining a courteous tone will reflect well on you as a seller. If the feedback is positive, a simple thank you and acknowledgement of the buyer's satisfaction can go a long way. For neutral or negative feedback, try to address any issues raised and offer a solution or apology if necessary. Remember, your response is public, and future buyers may read it when considering purchasing from you. After you've written your response, review it for any errors or typos, and then submit it. Your reply will now be visible under the original feedback comment for others to see. This transparency not only helps resolve any misunderstandings, but also shows potential buyers that you are attentive and responsive to your customers' needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively reply to feedback on eBay, helping to maintain a positive seller rating and build trust with your buyers. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy selling!